Well, hello everybody and welcome back. It's Jenny. Come on in to my house. We're going to talk about these save $3 on 2 PG product coupons that we got tonight. And you know you want to know. So like and share the video on your way in. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you're just stopping by, well, this is information that will serve you well. And we have that kind of information all the time. So look below and hit that red subscription button and the notification bell there. Make sure the notifications say all. That way you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information, field trips, and always awesome vibes. And hopefully a smile with every video. That's my goal, guys. Yep, is to get you to smile at least once a day. Whether it be because you know you're going to save money or just because the video makes you feel good. Alright, what we got going on? Well, we've got a save 2 when you spend $9 on p&amp products. Well, we got a possible glitch there because we got a sale. And this is what's going to happen. These are on sale 2 for $8. This is the sharing size, 10 ounce, $4.95 normally. 2 for $8 on sale. That $9 coupon, you know, spend 9, save 2, that's going to work on this. So you're going to be spending $6 on 2 of these big bags of M&Ms. Great way to bribe your kids, guys. Need the yard rate? There you go. Okay, this is what the video is all about pretty much. We've got these save 3 coupons on 2 P&G products. And we got 2 of these, I think, or maybe even 3 with different products. Now this one is 2 P&G beauty products, $5 or more. Now this happens to have some $5 products. So Pantene, it's got $5 Pantene on this. So not only is the Pantene $1 cheaper, we've got $5 Gillette, we've got $5 Aussie products, we've got $5 Sleek Pantenes, Renew Pantenes. We got $5 Old Spice deodorant and body wash, shampoo, conditioner, $5.25 Aussie and $5.40 Secret. Okay, so any one of these is or combination thereof, and some Olay for $5.50. We're going to stick to the 5 and under. You'll be paying $7 for 2 of these products. So you could do 2 Pantene for $7. Next is save 3 on 2 PG health products. Crest, Oral-B, Tampax, Always, Pepto, Vicks, and Metamucil. Now, this is a manufacturer coupon, so we can't use any other coupons to stack with this. Now we start out with $5 Crest products, but we got Crest coupons all day long and Oral-B coupons all day long, so we don't really need to use this 3 off with the Crest and Oral-B because we've got other coupons that we can actually use with that. Let's move up to the Tampax products. So for $11, you could be paying $8 for 2 of these Tampax products. Then we got the save 3 on 2 PG baby, paper, or home care products. So 2 of the Charmin toilet papers for $10.30, you'd be paying $7.30 for. Or a Charmin $5 toilet paper and a Dawn dish detergent, the Power Wash, you're looking at $10.40. So you would be getting this for $7.40. And that's a winner kind of deal. We have a new save 2 when you spend $6 on any swab item. It is working on the 265 swab deodorant, making that 65 cents. It's working on the $1.35 deodorants. So you can do a mix and match of this stuff if you gotta spend $6. We've got the strawberry shampoo for $2. We've got some body wash for $3, so you're at 5. And then a deodorant, it'd be $6.35. So you'd be getting 3 items for $4.35. Oh no, yeah, $4.35. Now, when it comes to this Pantene, some of these other Pantene coupons are better than that $3 off of 2. So use that coupon on another product in that group. So there you go, guys. This isn't even Sunday yet. This is a little bit before. So we'll have another look at the new coupons that drop for Sunday and what kind of deals we can get, or glitches, or free stuff. And of course, we'll always have our good vibes. So please, and so thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to leave me that 3-word comment that YouTube likes so much. Watch one of those ads for me. I truly appreciate it. And blessings to you.